Welcome back, folks. We got another unboxing and first impression today. This is something that every cook and person working in the kitchen or just making your food should have, and that's a set of measuring spoons and measuring cups. This is a nice set. I had this in my shopping cart for a while before I got it. They are pretty weighty, these are. This is 1/8 of a cup, which is what? 2 tablespoons, that's right. 30 milliliters. We've got the whole set. I won't force you to watch all this. All right, there you go. We got a set of measuring cups and measuring spoons. What makes this so unique is these oval spoons. But there's a few unique things. One is these are heavy duty stainless steel. They're not stamped out of tin like some that you find. It's 304 stainless steel. They're weighted. They're pretty good weight. But this oval shape, I'll show you what that's for. So the oval shape, how many times have you wanted to get something out? This might not be a good example. This is definitely not gonna work. This is a half a tablespoon, but that works. Tablespoon, not so much, but the half tablespoon and below it does, but you wouldn't be able to, you'd have to get down to 3/4 of a teaspoon before you could start putting these in here. So I like that part of it. I have some square end ones I use all the time. The other thing I like about this is it does give us the metric equivalence of a tablespoon being 15 milliliters, half a tablespoon being 7.5, 1 teaspoon being 5, and so forth. The other thing I like about this, and you notice there's no ring to hold these together, is because there's a magnet that holds these together. So all of these will spoon together, pun intended, and all the way down to 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then it even came with a leveler. So you want to make sure it's precise when you're baking. You have a leveler for that. So those will sit nicely in your drawer, and hopefully won't come apart too much. I see a little bit of alignment issue, but nothing that would break the bank. The other thing I like about these bigger cups is this is 2/3 of a cup. That's like the least helpful. But they give you some other increments on the sides. This is a half a cup and 1/3 of a cup, or 2/3 of a cup. And this is 1 cup, but on the sides there's marking for 3/4 and a half a cup. You can see from both the inside and the outside. I do like that. These also nest together, but they're of course not magnetic, are they at all, but they came with the ring to hold it together. Now, I'm not a big fan of the ring. I like having each one separately, so I don't use that part of it. And then it came with a magnetic conversion chart. 1 cup being 16 tablespoons, 48 teaspoons, and that type of thing. This is the kind of gooberish stuff that I go through in my head all the time. So I love this set. It's beyond liking. The quality is tangible. They're heavy. I will have these for years. I'm sure of it. This is a fine product. I highly recommend it. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful.